This is the problem they have given. The open loop transfer function of a system is g of s is equal to k divided by s into 1 plus s into 1 plus 0.1 into s. Determine the value of k such that gain margin is equal to 10 dB, phase margin is equal to 50 dB. First, standard form. The constant time constant form is k into 1 plus t1s into 1 plus t2 into s divided by s to the power of p into 1 plus ta into s 1 plus tb into s. Okay, this is the time constant form. If the given question is in the time constant form, then no need of step 1. Okay, directly write step 1 is in the constant form. Okay, sorry, given g of s into h of s is in the constant form. Okay, next is step 2. In this example, k is unknown. Till now we have solved the problems, but they have given the k value. In this problem they have not given the k value. We need to find out by using gain margin and phase margin. Okay, next, the various factors. First factor is 1 divided by s. That is 1 divided by s means one pole is at origin. Okay. Straight line of slope minus 20 dB per decade passing through intersection point of omega equal to 1 and 0 dB. That means 0 dB line and 0 dB line is horizontal and vertical line omega equal to 1 is vertical. It will intersect both. Okay, omega equal to 1 and 0 dB. Next point, 1 divided by 1 plus s. Simple pole. T1 is equal to 1. Omega C1 is equal to, you will get 1. Straight line of slope is equal to minus 20 dB per decade for omega greater than or equal to 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 0.1 into s. Simple pole T2 is equal to 0.1. Omega C2 is equal to 1 divided by T2. Omega C2 is equal to 10. Straight line of slope minus 20 dB per decade for omega greater than or equal to 10. First we should write the factors. Next we should write the omega c values. Next we should write the slope value, and next we should write the range. Okay, for each factor we should follow this what I have said. Okay, first whether it is a simple pole or it is a zero or it is at origin. Okay, next we should find out omega, and next we need to find out the slope, and next we need to find out the range of omega. Okay, next make a table. Okay, range of omega, resultant slope. Okay, if we make table, it will be easy to draw graph. Okay, from 0 to omega c1 minus 20 dB per decade. You can see omega c1 value is 1. Okay, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, what it is, minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, in second point you can see omega greater than or equal to, again if omega greater than 1, then you will get a minus 20 dB. Okay, omega is greater than, if omega is greater than 1, again minus 20 dB. 1 less than omega less than or equal to omega c2. Okay, omega c2 value is 10. If more than 10, again minus 20 dB. From first point minus 20 dB, that is range of omega resultant slope 0 to omega c1 minus 20 dB per decade. Next from 1 to omega c2 value is 10. Okay, if it is greater than 10, again it will add minus 20. It is less than 10. So before what you got, minus 20, again in second point what you got, minus 20, minus 20, minus 20, minus 40 dB per decade. Next in third, 10 less than omega less than infinity. Okay, before what you got, minus 40. If omega is greater than 10, what they have said in third point, minus 20 dB per decade. So minus 40 minus 20, you will get minus 60 dB per decade. This is up to step 2. Okay, next step 3, we need to find out the phase angle table. First, replace instead of S, j omega. Okay, instead of S you substitute j omega. Make this table omega 1 divided by j omega minus tan inverse omega. How you will get minus tan inverse omega? Minus tan inverse imaginary part divided by real part. Okay, imaginary part is omega, real part is 1, so minus tan inverse omega. Next, minus tan inverse 0.1 omega. Next, resultant angle phi r. Okay, that is 0. Instead of starting with 0, we have started with 0.1. We got the how to write the omega values in this phase angle table. We can write the 0.1, 1. Next, directly you can go for 5, 10, infinity. Okay, depending upon us, depending upon how we take. Okay, if we take more points, 1, 3, 5, 7, 10. Okay, like this also we can take. Okay, or you, if you get confused, write directly omega c values 0, 1, 10, 110, infinity. Okay, or we can take more points so that graph you will get neatly. Okay, so I have taken 0.1, 1, 3, 5, 10, infinity omega values. Go on substituting the omega values, you will get angles. Substitute in the phase angle table. Next, step 4, you need to sketch the border plot diagram. From that diagram we need to find out the omega pc. What is omega pc? It is a phase crossover. What is phase crossover? After plotting the phase angle, by seeing phase angle table, we will plot the one graph. Okay, phase angle graph. After plotting phase angle graph, it will cross minus 180 degree. Okay, it will cross, you can see in this diagram, it is crossing minus 180 degree. That point we will take, at that point mark a point and draw a vertical line, so that we can find out omega pc is equal to 3.2. okay, you can see here in graph omega pc is equal to, they have marked a vertical line, that is phase angle graph is crossing 180 degree. At that point only they have marked the vertical line, and omega pc is equal to, you will get a 3.2. okay, next we need to find out the k value from graph. First we shall draw the graph. okay, this is a straight line 0 dB minus 1. First we shall plot the graph magnitude side. okay, magnitude side 0 dB, minus 20, minus 40, minus 60 dB. Mark a 3, minus 20, minus 40, minus 60. Minus 20 dB line you should mark until next. okay, across the, it should cross the 0 dB line. okay, mark a straight line from plus 20, that is minus 20 dB line. You should continue. They have given for 1 divided by s, that means one pole is at origin, it is a minus 20 dB. okay, next they have given that omega pc is equal to 3.2. okay, next from that point down, what they have given, phase margin they have given and gain margin they have given. We need to find out the k value. okay, first the mark minus 20, minus 40, minus 60 dB at omega equal to c1, sorry, omega equal to 1. okay, omega c1 also you got 1. so next you draw the plot without k. next for 1 divided by s. next you phase angle. How to draw phase angle graph? What you got at 0.1, you got minus 90, minus 96.29. at omega equal to 1 you got minus 140.71. at omega equal to 3 you got minus 178.25. Okay, go on marking the angles. At omega equal to 5, you got minus 195.25, and omega equal to 10, you got the minus 219.28. At infinity, it is minus 270. Okay, go on marking the angles. Okay, next we need, what is the step for to find out the k value? Okay, first we shall see the steps. Okay, draw the horizontal line below 0 dB at a distance of given gm means gain margin, till it intersects vertical line of omega pc. This is a point a dash. Okay, what they have said, this is a draw a line. Okay, draw a horizontal line below 0 dB. You can see that they have drawn below 0 dB dashed lines. Okay, and dashed line 0 dB at a distance of given margin is 10 dB. Okay, from 0 to 10 dB they have marked the horizontal line that should intersect the omega pc line. Okay, that point we will take it as a dash. Okay, next in step 2, draw the vertical line from omega pc till it intersects magnitude plot without k. You can see dark line from a to a dash. Okay, draw the vertical line from omega pc till it intersects the magnitude plot without k. This is point a. Okay, we have marked a and a dash. Now next the point a must be at a dash to match given margin. From a to a dash there should be a 10 dB. Hence a to a dash is the shift required contribution by k, which is 20 log k dB. 20 log k dB is equal to how much you will get? You should find out like this. 20 log k is equal to shift a dash. If upward shift must be taken positive and downward shift negative. Okay, they have given plus 10 dB, so upward log k is equal to 10 divided by 20 is equal to 0.5. If log base 10, then k is equal to 10 to the power of 0.5, you will get 3.1622. K is equal to 3.1622. That is, we need to shift upwards because there is a gain margin value is positive. Okay, next from phase margin we need to find out. You can see this dashed lines, same procedure. Okay, draw the horizontal line above minus 180 degree line at a distance of given phase margin. Given phase margin is 50 degree. From minus 180 to dashed lines, you can see difference is 50. Okay, 180 to up to how much they have given? 120. Sorry, 130. Okay, 130 they have marked. Okay, mark from minus 180 to dashed lines because from difference is 50 degree. Mark a horizontal line. Okay, mark a horizontal line. Next, draw the vertical line from B till it intersects the magnitude plot without k. This is a point C dash. Okay, they have marked the C dash. This C dash must be on 0 dB line at C. Okay, this C dash must be on 0 dB line. This C dash must be on 0 dB line at C. Okay, as the vertical line through point B must be omega GC. As the vertical line through point B must be omega GC line for a given phase margin. This is they are saying that this is a gain margin. Okay, next the distance upward shift C must be taken positive while downward shift must be taken negative. 20 log k is equal to minus 3 dB they have given. Sorry, minus 3 dB because downwards means you will get the 3 dB. K is equal to 0.708. you will get, I have solved here, log k is equal to minus 3 divided by 20 minus k is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 20, you will get 0.708. Phase margin they have given 50 degree. Okay, they have given 50 degree, but from C dash to 0 dB you will get a minus 3 dB. Okay, that is what they have taken, minus 3 dB. Okay, substitute minus 3 dB so that you will get a k value. Thank you.